So, hello, good morning, my friends. Today we have a big surprise. We change our kind of eating in accordance with what Dr. Kurt Mosetter is giving as a diet for sportive people, for football player and so on. And we have a long list with stuff you can eat, green, or you should not eat, but a little bit. And then there is a list with stuff you should never eat. So in accordance with that recommendation of Dr. Mosetter, Dr. Kurt Mosetter, we will change our way of eating. Like today, we have tuna in water, we have sauerkraut, we have beans, and we have leftover red rice, some leftover potato. It's not so good, but it is not so much. And we will have 2 or 3 eggs per person. So first we cut the potatoes in small pieces that it can go together with the beans. Beans. So the brand doesn't matter, but oh, take this out, make it warm, and the potatoes come into it. Yes, and we have a little bit rice that comes all together in this pot. Yes, the rice is coming, so no problem, it's just some remainings. But red rice or black rice is the most healthy stuff. Don't eat white rice. So it's now in the pot, it's getting hot, and maybe we have to add a little bit chicken broth or a little bit of white wine. The sauerkraut we just put in another bowl, and we don't need to cook it or make it warm. So that's already a lot, and it is fermented and is very good for your stomach and for the gut. The tuna is open, and we can just put it on the plate. No need to cook. It has a good temperature already from the room. So the tuna is already on the plate. The sauerkraut is also there. The beans are just getting hot. It is no need for cooking, but they have a good taste already. The eggs are coming. 1 minute, they are ready, and the beans are ready. They are already off electricity, so we just put them on the table. So we have it on the plate, the tuna fish, the beans and the potato and the sauerkraut, and now the eggs are coming. So the eggs are coming to my plate. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thank you. And today, no banana. That is not good anymore. So Dr. Mosetter said no banana, too much carbohydrates, too much sugar. So we stay with this. Have a wonderful meal and very healthy. And bon appetit means Sarab Kain Nana.